Very good morning to everyone. Myself Dhyani Joshi from Standard 8C. Respected fathers, sisters, teachers, and my dear friends. Prayer. Prayer is a conversation with God. We thank God for giving us so many gifts and helping us in our difficulties. God is great and very powerful. He loves us because we all are His children. I request everyone to stand up and take the prayer position. Give me all in my lamp, keep it burning, burning, burning. Give me all in my lamp, I pray. Give me all in my lamp, keep it burning, burning, burning. Keep it burning till the break of day. Come on and sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King of Kings. Come on and sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King. Give me joy in my heart, keep me praising, praising, praising. Give me joy in my heart, I pray. Give me joy in my heart, keep me praising, praising, praising. Keep me praising till the break of day. Come on and sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King of Kings. Come on and sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King.
Eternal God, Creator of all, I firmly believe that I am now in your presence. I adore your divine majesty and I ask of you to enlighten my mind that I may know you more clearly and to know my heart that I may love you above all things and my fellow beings. Help me to be a torchbearer of your wisdom. Will be the light of the world, dispelling darkness around, like a star in the sky, guiding everyone in love, reforming our minds, reforming our hearts, imparting knowledge and wisdom. Hail, hail, Saint Mary's School, or a true heaven of love and nature, for this is where we belong. Hail, hail, Saint Mary's School, our guiding light in every sense, we stands for your name. Fill us, Lord, with the joy and praises, turn us into your angels, be with us in all your strivings, guiding everyone in love. Together we pray, together we learn, to be the light of knowledge and wisdom. Hail, oh hail, Saint Mary's School, a true heaven of love and nature, for this is where we belong. Hail, oh hail, Saint Mary's School, our guiding light in every sense, it stands for your name.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Now I would like to invite Bhalya Pratna for the thought of the day.
Good morning. I am myself Bhavya from 8C. Today's thought is dream your dreams with your eyes closed, but live your dreams with your eyes open. Dreaming with your dreams with your eyes open only means that you are now willing to see what others can't imagine. With your eyes wide open, you can only take the initiative to bring your dreams full circle. You are willing to throw away the excess, make the neatly sacrifice, and do what's needed to come it pass. Presenting if you are presently parts of our life. If someone do dream, that person has a group of ambition in his life. Therefore, had some dreams are very important. Thank you and have a nice.
Thank you, Bhalia Pratna, for giving such a inspiring thought.